Assalamu alaikum. My topic is Big M method. Following points are: convert the following linear programming problem into the standard form by introducing slag or surplus. For example, we have minimization of z for 20x1 plus 10x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 6, 80, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 2, x1 plus x2 greater than equal to. This is non-negativity constraint, right? Solution: subject to constraint 2x1 plus 4x2. We add slag or surplus variables. Slag variables are added when we have less than equal to type equations, or surplus variables is added when we have greater type equation, right? This is less than equal to type equation, so we add slag variable plus s1 equal to 80, x1 plus x2 plus s2 equal to 2. Minimization of z, which is equal to 30x1 plus 10x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2. Introduce a non-negativity variable to the left hand side of the constraint of greater equal type. These variables are called artificial variable. In Big M method, Big M method is used when we have greater equal to type equations, right? Then we add artificial variable. In these equation we add a artificial variable. For example, a minimization of z 30x1 plus 10x2 subject to constraint 2x1 plus 4x2 less than equal to 8, x1 plus x2 less than equal to 25, 8x1 plus 6x2 greater than equal to 120. Minimization of z subject to constraint. Solution है ये 2x1 plus 4x2 plus s1 equal to 80. We do not use artificial variable in less than equal to equation. x1 plus x2 plus s2 equal to 25, 8x1 plus 6x2 plus r1. R1 is artificial variable. We add artificial variable in this equation because this equation have greater equal type minus s1. Minus s1 is slag variable. Slag variable is added when we have greater equal type equation equal to 120. x1 plus x1 x2 greater than equal to 0. Minimization of z, which is equal to 30x1 plus 10x2 plus 0s1 plus 0s2 plus minus 0s3. We have minimization of z, then we add plus mr1. If we have maximization case, then we have minus mr1. Then we add minus mr1 penalty. So the purpose of introducing the artificial variable in just to obtain the initial basic feasible solution. If the objective function is of maximization case, then we add minus mr1. If the objective function is of minimization case, then we add plus mr1. Following points in Big M method. Following 3 points in Big M method. If no artificial variable remains in the basic and the optimality condition is satisfied, then the current solution is called optimal basic feasible solution. And if at least one artificial variable appear in the basic level at 0 level and optimality condition is satisfied, then the current solution is called optimal basic feasible degenerated solution. then this solution then this condition in this condition this solution is called basic feasible degenerated solution. If at least one artificial variable appears in the non-zero level and the optimality condition is satisfied, okay, then the original problem has no feasible solution. The solution is called pseudo solution. Then we solve the problem. If, for example, if one artificial variable is if at least one artificial variable is remain and optimality condition is satisfied, then this solution is called at non-zero level. Then this solution is called pseudo solution. If artificial variable remain and optimality condition is satisfied at zero level, for example at zero level, then this solution is called degenerated feasible solution.